8 amazing extra virgin olive oil benefits for your health. Olive oil is a particular type of fat made from the fruit of the olive tree known as Olea europea. The word olive derives from the Latin word oliva, which means olive tree. Olive trees are native to the Mediterranean region, Northwest Africa, and Southern Europe. They are also cultivated in California and Australia. Olive oil has many benefits. It contains high amounts of polyphenols, antioxidants, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and monounsaturated fats that are healthy to consume. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality type of olive oil. It has a better flavor, more antioxidants, and lower acidity than other types of olive oil. It is made from cold-pressed olives that are processed without heat or chemicals. Before we start mentioning the health benefits of this fantastic oil, let me remind you that this video is intended solely for educational and informational purposes, and you should always consult your doctor before changing your diet or taking any new foods or supplements. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and consider subscribing to our channel to receive future videos with more helpful advice and tips. With that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1. Protects against heart disease and stroke. Heart disease and stroke are two significant causes of death worldwide. Prevention is key to preventing these diseases from occurring or worsening, especially if you have a family history of either condition. Olive oil is an essential part of the Mediterranean diet. It has many benefits, one of them being heart disease prevention. It contains monounsaturated fat, which is healthy for the heart. It is also rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. There are several possible mechanisms by which olive oil can protect from these diseases. Saturated fats in the diet raise total cholesterol levels and LDL cholesterol levels, but replacing saturated fats with monounsaturates can protect against this increased risk. Monounsaturates in olive oil may help prevent the formation of blood clots by reducing platelet stickiness and clotting. And olive oil has been shown to increase good HDL cholesterol levels, which might also help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 2. Supports diabetes prevention. Olive oil supports diabetes prevention by reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 35%. A recent study has shown that consuming olive oil may slow the progression of type 2 diabetes. The study was conducted by researchers from the University of Athens Medical School in Greece and published in the Journal of Nutrition. The findings revealed that olive oil consumption might help to improve glycemia, lipidemia, and other risk factors for cardiovascular diseases in people with type 2 diabetes. The use of polyphenols found in olive oil may help diabetes prevention. Researchers found that these polyphenols can activate AMP, a protein that regulates sugar levels in the blood. Olive oil is not only rich in polyphenols, but it is also high in monounsaturated fats, which can lower LDL cholesterol and improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, it is recommended to use extra virgin olive oils for this treatment, since they are less processed than other varieties like light or pure olive oils. Number 3. Improves skin and hair quality. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer for skin and hair. It contains vitamin E, which reduces wrinkles and creates a youthful appearance. Olive oil can also be used to remove makeup or as a conditioner for dry hair. The oil's high monounsaturated oleic acid content can help hydrate skin and hair without stripping or damaging them, which is perfect for anyone with sensitive skin or dry hair. Olive oil also provides a natural barrier against environmental irritants that often cause problems with sensitive skin. Due to its high content of omega-9 fatty acids, olive oil can help repair skin cells, maintain moisture, provide antioxidants that are anti-aging, and protect the skin from UV damage. Number 4. improves brain function and cognitive ability. Olive oil has been found to improve brain function and cognitive ability. In one study, participants who consumed a diet high in olive oil showed improved memory function. In another study, those who consumed a diet high in olive oil performed better on memory tests than those who consumed a diet low in olive oil. Olive oil contains a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of fat that is important for the brain's health. These fats are essential for proper brain function and cognitive ability. Furthermore, olive oil is rich in antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress in the brain and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Number 5. Improves vision and helps prevent macular degeneration. Olive oil is a powerful antioxidant that helps to reduce free radicals in the eyes that can lead to macular degeneration. Olive oil also improves vision by making the lens of our eye more flexible, allowing light to pass through it more leisurely. Research indicates that this fat is rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for protecting the eye's retina. The antioxidants reduce oxidative damage linked to macular degeneration, and omega-3s provide crucial nutrients for eye health. Number 6. Lowers risk of cancer development. A recent study found that people who use olive oil in their diets are less likely to develop certain types of cancer, such as pancreatic cancer or ovarian cancer. Olive oil may also protect against liver cancer, breast cancer, or colon cancer. In another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, scientists have found that consuming olive oil lowers the risk of cancers by 25%. This is one of the first studies to identify a protective factor against cancer. Scientists from the University of Athens Medical School and Heracopio University in Greece examined a human population of men and women 4 to 5 years or older. Those diagnosed with cancer had their blood analyzed for indicators associated with olive oil consumption. The results show that people with biomarkers associated with high olive oil consumption were at a 25% lower risk for developing cancer than those not consuming it. This study was also different from previous studies because it did not rely on self-reported dietary habits, but blood tests. Number 7. Lowers blood pressure. A new study has found that olive oil can lower blood pressure. The study states that olive oil inhibits the activity of angiotensin I converting enzyme, which plays an important role in regulating blood pressure. Other studies show that those who consume more than 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day can lower their blood pressure by 5 points. This is because olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, which are chemical compounds known to reduce inflammation and prevent irregular heartbeats. Number 8. Can help treat rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a painful autoimmune disorder that can cause joint deformities, deformities of the fingers, wrists, and toes. Extra virgin olive oil contains anti-inflammatory polyphenols. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also help reduce inflammation. Olive oil, when applied topically, can help treat rheumatoid arthritis. This is because the fatty acids in the oil are anti-inflammatory, and also because it stimulates cell regeneration, which helps regenerate connective tissue. Olive oil is also naturally antibacterial and antifungal thanks to its high levels of oleocanthal. Here are some of the most common ways that people consume olive oil. Mix it with acid foods like tomato sauce or lemon juice. It makes an excellent finishing touch for pasta sauces, salads, and soups. Drizzle it over vegetables or use it in marinades. When cooking eggs, add a little olive oil to the pan before adding eggs to avoid sticking to the pan. If you are baking, replace butter with some good quality extra virgin olive oil in your recipe. Drink it on its own as a supplement for your diet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd want to help us produce more like it, Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to get any future videos with more useful health-related tips and information.